Sarah wants a housewarming party, and Emma wants to celebrate her new promotion. Sarah connects with Wepah, while Emma wants to plan the party alone. Using Wepah's Instagram portfolio, Sarah picks and shares her party ideas. She meets with the planner, instantly approves the goals, inspiration, and mind-blowing Wepah's ideas, and happily pays the deposit, while Emma is still struggling to finalize the vendors. Once Sarah finalizes the arrangement, she joins the party and enjoys it while Wepah takes care of everything. All that's left for Sarah is to message her guests, thank them for coming, and send pictures of that unforgettable party. On the other hand, Emma does everything herself and runs and yells after all the vendors. She pays off the extra charges for the last-minute order she places. In the end, her backyard is one big pile of mess. You know who to call the next time you plan to host a party. A day to remember without stress by Wepah. Contact us now.